We will learn how to order a few things for the customer to look at so they can see it and buy their favorite. In POS, find customer or enter new customer as usual. Click Repair Intake. Since the customer is not dropping off anything, in the description write the word nothing. In the task field, you must write down 4 pieces of info for each item: the vendor, the style number, a 1 or 2 word description of the item, and the price quoted. Usually you are not the one placing the order, so you must write down a description so the person ordering will be alerted if the style number is a typo. Here is an example. Let's go to the Quality Gold website. Let's say the customer wanted earrings LE200, but you accidentally typed in LF200. There's the earrings the customer wanted, but you accidentally on the envelope, it's $367, on the envelope you accidentally typed LF200. There you go. That's a necklace for $961. The person ordering it will never know unless you are very clear in your description. So let's go back to the POS. A few days after this video was made, it was brought to our attention that we cannot order items on Spec from Listage. So please just use this video to learn the process and ignore the specific vendor used in the example. We're going to order 3 charm/clasps from Listage. So, in the task field, you want to write order on Spec from Listage, style number SB5001, Pelican, $80. Hit enter. SB4201, flour, $100. Enter. SB3967, hat, $79. In the price field, in the parts field, there you go, put a 0.
Say, make sure you get a deposit so the customer lets us know whether or not they're coming back.
Fill in the other necessary fields and click OK, Save and Close. After the customer leaves, put the necessary info on the orders board at Linan's desk and the envelope in the incoming orders box. Unless the items are from Stoller, then put the envelope in the jeweler's pan. When the item comes in, highlight the name on the orders board, get the envelope from the incoming orders box, and remove the items from their original packaging. Inspect them to see if they are what the customer wanted and whether there are any defects. If there are defects, show a jeweler. If not, put each item in their own golden art baggie and write the style number and the price quoted to the customer on each baggie. Put the original packaging in a manila envelope and put the customer's name and the date they are supposed to come in on the envelope.
Place this jewelry on jewelry tray 1 or 2. Each day, whoever puts out jewelry tray 1 or 2 is responsible for looking at the notes and following up if necessary.
Mark the job done in the edge, notify the customer, and put the job in the finished box. Okay, now the customer comes in to look at their items and pick their favorite. Use the Pick Up Finish button. Check the correct repair and click OK. Now they chose the $100 flour. Click Sell Item. Find/new, new item. Here we must fill in 8 fields, but it is not difficult to remember because 4 of them are the price. Use the pull-down function in the category field to choose the correct category. In this case, it's a charm, not for a necklace, but still a charm for the bracelet. Use the mouse to fill in the vendor and the style number. If you don't know that Lestage is LS, you can use the pull-down menu and find it easily enough. The vendor style number is SB4201. Click Enter. A new window pops up in which you must fill in 3 fields. The cursor defaults to the cost field. Enter the number 1 and click Tab. Describe the item, flour, and click Tab, 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 Tab in order to allocate it to store 2. Type a 1 here because you are allocating just one piece. Click Tab and type the price quoted to the customer, $100, and click Enter. Just type the dollar amount. Do not type the $ and the decimal and 2 zeros. The Edge automatically does that for you when you click Enter. Notice here the Edge filled in 2 of the 4 price fields. Use the mouse to put the cursor in the lowest field and type the dollar amount and click Tab. Type the dollar amount again and use the mouse to click OK, Save, and Close. Notice that the Edge gave it an inventory number and filled in the price.
Done?
Now you can get the money from the customer and click Done.
Go.
After the customer leaves, get the manila envelope from tray 12 and put the rejected items back in the original packaging. Put them in a new manila envelope and write Return to, in this case, Lestage, and put it in the briefcase.